Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to another video at Resurwreck Autos HQ. Today guys, we're continuing with these two cars. I want to get them as close and as far as along as I can, finished bits and pieces, because yeah, they're kind of they're stuck now, they're in the way, they're in here. I need to get them done so we can move them outside and then get the other cars in that I've got going on, and we've got to pick up another project as well, so that's being picked up Monday. Yeah, so very busy, but like I said before, I wouldn't have it any other way, guys. That's what it's all about. So yeah, this one here, I'm going to be taking it off the ramp and putting it sort of that way, so I can get, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jack it up, put it on axle stands, so I can really get underneath that sill part. It's no good on that ramp anymore. So it served the purpose on the ramp, because obviously I used it to pull, so I had the height to be able to put it down. So that's done, and we can now get it off. This one, we're going to be, we're going to be still rubbing down and prepping the bottom piece there, rubbing that back a little bit more, giving that another coat of primer. And then just keep carrying on. I'm talking like I'm a painter, don't I? I'm no painter. Trust me, I'm no painter. But I've been getting some really nice comments, guys. People sort of, giving me information. Go and watch this guy. Get this product, especially like the sanding blocks that you can get. I know Grant from Grant's body shop repair place. He's got those pinkies. They're called like pink blocks. I have actually been up there and I've been to Grant's workshop, met Grant face to face. We had a good chat a little while back, so I know exactly what blocks you are talking about in the comments, guys. So thanks very much for all the info, all the comments. Really appreciate it. And it is something I need to get hold of and get for the workshop and part of my tools. So yeah, but it's ongoing. It's if I was just a painter, then it wouldn't matter, because obviously I'll just get all my painting stuff and bodywork stuff, sanding stuff. But I'm not. I'm a mechanic. I'm I'll do it all. So yeah, I'll have to wait for now. But let me spin you around and let's get cracking. Let's do this. So guys, here we go. I've put the car here, like I just said. That way I can put, I'll get a jack, put it, lift it up, put some axle stands on. Sorry guys, it's really early. I'm not woken up properly. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll set you up. Let's go for this one first. I want to rub this one down, and then I want to, I want to prime, bit of primer, let that dry, and then we'll jump over to the Peugeot. We'll do a bit more on the Peugeot, and then we'll just jump backs and forwards on these two cars, really, just getting them done as much as we can today. I have got to have half a day again today, so this is going to be a real short video, guys, just a quick one. But I just want to make sure that I'm filming it as I go. That way you can keep track of it. So let me set you up. Let's go for it. Let's do as much as we can today. Let's do this one first. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys. So as you just saw there, yeah, it's all taped up, all primed with a primer. And the reason why, if you just saw there, there's probably going to be people thinking, why didn't I tape it all up, then use the primer? Why did I put a primer first and then tape it up? The reason why I did that was because I'd done the primer, and then I thought, if I do the primer first, then it gives it a little bit more time to dry whilst I'm doing the taping up. So, yeah, that's why I did that. And I just need to leave that now to dry. And then basically what's going to happen is, I don't know if you can see that there, but there's like a line that's going through. And basically, yeah, that's the stone chip paint that goes on the bottom part of this seal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape, and I'm going to continue that tape all the way along now. And then I'm going to hit it with this stone chip paint. And then we're going to leave it to dry. And then once it's dried, I'm going to remove the tape and then hit it with the base coat, which is this one here. KF44 black. So yeah, this is the correct paint colour for this car. And then yeah, just to sort of give it a couple of coats with a top coat, with a base coat, then a lacquer as well. So all these processes, yeah, it just takes time. So whilst we're leaving this to dry, this primer, we're going to jump on to the Peugeot now, and we're going to do basically exactly the same thing as what we just did there. We're going to start with the rubbing down first, get it all rubbed down, sanded back properly, and then we're going to set it up to put some primer on. It feels all right actually, this. So I might just give it a light rub down and then hit it again with the primer, this top bit. But I think that's okay. Doesn't need any more filler, but it's this area that I'm a little bit sort of unsure about. So we need to sort of hit this now. I'll set you up. Let's get cracking with this part. It's a bit strange with these last couple of videos, is that all I'm doing is obviously body work and paint work. You know, but I'm not really, I'm not a painter, am I? So I'm just sort of just getting by, just sort of seeing these are. It's a cheap car, to be honest with you. There's not a lot of value in it. So I'm probably going a bit mad, to be honest with you. But it's just the way I like to do things, really. This is ideal. This kind of car is perfect, ideal to try things out and perfect your, you know, the paint work and the prep work and the paint work and all those kind of things. It's ideal, this car, perfect. So that's why I'm doing it on this car, like with the alloys and the paint, and just to see, like just to get experience, just to learn. And it's yeah, I think it's a fantastic way of learning, like sort of doing this kind of cheap cars, because you know anything really is better than leaving it as it was. Gotta be, guys, isn't it? So anyway, that's enough waffling. I love talking to you guys, though. I really love chatting. I feel like you are all in this workshop with me, and I'm chatting away, and we're talking. Anyone that comes and sees me knows that I just waffle on, chat away, talk about things. I just love it. So, yeah, sorry for the waffling. Let's do this. I'll set you up. Let's go. Right, okay. So, as you can see, it's all been primed. Yeah, it's ready, really. It's just got to dry it off. And then once it's dried up properly, I can then hit it with another coat. Maybe. Yeah, I might do another primer. I've done 2 at the top. And I just need to do another coat on the bottom part of it as well. And then that should be good to go. At least to go over it and check it all and stuff like that. But it's definitely getting there. So I'm going to leave that for the moment. Let's let that dry off. Let's go back over to the Beetle over here, the black one. Now, it's been about an hour, I suppose. Yeah, it's been about an hour. It's nice and dry. It's all touch dry. So that's good. I just have one of my subscribers, Mark, just come over to me. We had a good chat about some bits and pieces and what he's up to and stuff. But, yeah, it was nice to meet you. Nice to come over, mate. And I'm sure I will be seeing you very soon. But for now, let's crack on. I want to get this taped up right across. And then we're going to hit it with this stone chip paint first along the bottom, and then that can be drying off whilst we move back to the other side and just keep jumping backs and forwards on these 2 cars today. Like I said to you, it's going to be a quick one, this video. I've got to leave pretty sharpish. We've got some family stuff going on tomorrow. I need to prep today and get it all sort of ready. So yeah, let me set you up. Let's get cracking with this and then get it taped off and get it painted. So let's get this started. Let's do it. Right, guys, so there we go. I've done the top part. You can see it's all been coated. It's all drying off and that sort of stuff. The actual colour match is pretty good. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to leave that top part there to dry off. This part, I had to go over a few areas with a bit more filler because I wasn't completely happy to go over that with the paint because there was, there's just a little few sort of holes and little spots that I wanted to grab and do whilst it's in this sort of state. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah, that's that for now. You just seen me do the Volkswagen, this Beetle as well. Not Polo, it's a Beetle. You just see me do this Beetle. I have gone over it with the stone chip paint, which is looking pretty good. Probably going to do it another coat, just to coat it up, and that should be that done. And then we can move on to, is it dry? Yeah, it feels dry already, you know. Wow. Okay. I will check it. If it's okay, then I'm going to hit it with some top coat. The colour that we need. So Yeah. But let me have a look, and then I'll come back to you. So if it's okay, I'm going to paint it. If not, I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, okay, so looking good, guys. So yeah, it's a case of once this is dried off, that's the top coat done. Once it's all dried off, then I'll hit it with some clear lacquer, and then that'll be this job finished. And compared to what it was, considering what it was like, I think it's come out really well. So I'm happy with the progress. It's always a learning curve. You know, you have to, as long as you get as long as you get better at what you're doing, then yeah, it's definitely sort of worth just cracking on and getting it done. So it's you know, it's 100 times better than what it was. It's all caved in. We saw that. We've done the repair. So yeah, like, the whole car really needs a really good going over. Like, you know, there's so much to it. You know, where do you kind of stop? But this is what the customer wants. It's their car. You know, I have explained to them bits and pieces around the car. It can do with this, it can do with that. You can do this, do that, and they don't really want to do it. All they want to do is this. They want to get it sold, get it gone, and this is the bare minimum. So yeah, that's that for that, guys. Again, like I said, we're going to leave this one to dry off, because it's obviously, it's got a little bit more filler and that bits and pieces around it. So we'll leave that till Monday. So that is going to be the end of today's video, unfortunately, guys. I have got to go off and call it half a day. It is going to be a short one. Really appreciate the support. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment if you've got anything to say about what I'm doing on these cars, any car or whatever. Just drop me a comment, guys. And yeah, have a great weekend. And I will see you on Monday, where we'll be picking up a new project. So take care. Great weekend. See you soon.